Hi everybody, Work and Roller channel here, and today I want to record this video about making the sketch for customizing this guitalele from Harley Benton. I bought it, I did the review on this channel, you can find it by the link in the corner, but today I want to sketch to create some graphics for it, and for this process I need the photo of this guitalele, graphic tablet here because I will do everything on my computer, and I bought a special thing for this and for me. And today I want to make this sketch with this special figure from IKEA, and this will help me to draw some figures, some poses faster, because I am not the professional artist, I learn it myself. So I hope this IKEA thing will help me a lot in today's video. So walk with me through this process, subscribe to this channel of course, hit the like button, and see you in the next frame. So at first let's unpack this thing from IKEA. It costs around $15 maybe. This is figure for the creative persons, for the art, for the mimicking the poses of the people's bodies, robots, everybody who seems to be the same like the people's figure. So let's open this pack. Everybody say hi to Woody. I think he feels uncomfortable because he has some metal stick in his ass. I invite you to go to the computer and see what I will draw. And here we are in the Photoshop. Here is a quick photo of this guitalele. I connected my graphic tablet and now I'm searching for the right brush for quick sketching. The main place of interest here is the center of the composition. This is the acoustic hole of this guitalele, so I'll try to make my composition around it. I draw it many times on electric guitars. You can check the links in the corner or in the description. There you can find some links to the playlists of completed projects. But the process is the same: sketching, surface preparation, actual drawing on the guitar, and the save code on the top of completed image. After trying some sea monsters, I focused on other topic. Also, I tried to make some monsters around this hole, but it didn't connect with the shape and composition of the guitalele itself, cause every time when you are drawing on something you need to match your idea to the shape of your object, and this is very important. So after a couple of attempts I had an idea about the spaceship and aliens theme. And in the beginning it was pretty okay, but then I got some problem with shape of the rocket, and I remembered that I had aliens on my Bass Sticks project. You can watch the final result by the link. So after some time of sketching I came with my final idea for this project: the scuba diver in the in the tentacles of giant octopus. So this will cover the biggest part of the guitalele, and this will be angry creature that brings fear, but in cartoony style, so not much fear. At first I choose too muddy and too dirty color for the helmet, but I'll change it in a minute. The octopus will be in purple color, cause why not? It will bring the attention, and the second color of the octopus will be the bright yellow one. His eye, some details, and other side of the tentacles. Of course, there will be more details on the final result, some shadows, some fine lining, but this is quick sketch to understand the idea and composition in general. And I'm pretty happy with what we have here. Yeah, let's change the color of the scuba helmet. It will be orange to make the second point of attention on the drawing. And maybe later I will add more detail to the circle around sound hole / our main helmet window, like an ornamental part in classical guitars. Let's add some teeth and mouth to the monster to show he's not kidding here. And that's almost the finish, but I have one more idea. It's a little bit too much maybe, but why should I stop on this? We got the sound hole and place for face of the main character in the same time, and I got the idea to place some photo inside the guitalele, where it has usual paper with logo and model details, where you can find the logo of Harley Benton. I'll show you on the example. Here is the cat, he will be our victim scuba diver. Let's make some mask and put him in our composition. It fits pretty well. I want to switch off the colors of our main character to make the difference between the main drawing and this picture. I will print it and cut from the paper and just glue it to the back inside this guitalele. And also there will be too dark, so he will look like this. But this is not the end. In my ideal plan, I'll put some LEDs on the tape, or maybe one small LED with battery. I put it to the face part of the guitar with sound hole on the edge of this hole, and it will be shine directly to the photo. Like small light inside the costume of the scuba diver, and I want to make on-off switch, and you can put the picture or photo of every person you want, friend, yourself, your pet, etc. Oh, yes, one last thing. To show that scuba diver is in his panic mode, you must see at least one his hand. So now this picture will be finished and ready to be transferred. So all the work is done. Meet me in my next videos when I will paint these graphics on that guitalele. Please subscribe, hit the bell, write some comments, hit the like button, make some new activity on this channel. It's very important for me. Thank you for everything and see you.